Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to use CapCut Pro for free without paying. So without any further wastage of time, let's get started. So if you don't know what CapCut is an editing software available on PCs and mobile devices. But for the purposes of this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use it on my PC. So the first thing you want to do if you don't have CapCut is open a browser and search for CapCut. Head over to their website, hit the download button, and the install will be downloaded. So I already have my installer around here downloaded. So once you have an installer like I do, you have to do is click and you'll be prompted with this window. So you just select yes or click yes. So in my instance, I already have CapCut installed, so I won't really have to go through this whole process. But if you don't, just click yes, and the installation should start right after. It won't really take that long, actually. So I'll just go ahead and open my CapCut. Once your CapCut is open, once you open your CapCut, take you to the home page. The home page, you have a couple options: record screen, long, video to shorts, text to speech, AI video maker, create projects. Then, as you see in my up left corner, I have join pro, meaning I'm not registered with the pro version. I've not paid for this CapCut, so this should be exactly what you're looking for. So the first thing you want to do is come and head over to your settings, to this icon, to the setting icon. Again, settings. So you have draft, edit, performance, and general. The setting we're interested in is under the draft section, and it's the save to. This is the directorate to where your computer or to where the program is going to save your draft files in the computer. So when you hit this file icon, will open, it doesn't matter actually. It differs because I already changed mine before, so yours might actually show something different. But all in all, what we want to do is head over to the partition, to alphabet partition, where we want to keep these folders. It's important that you actually change where you keep these files, these draft files. Reason being, you won't find them easily. At times they're really hidden really far inside into files, into folders, so it really gets hard to find them. So what you want to do is to change this partition, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create something new. Let me create a new file here. Let me call it my CapCut drafts. All right, my CapCut drafts. So I select it and save. All right, so let's go ahead. Once you're done with that, go ahead and create a project. So I'm going to create something very simple for the purposes of this video. I'm only going to use a couple of pro features and really see how that works out. So let me import something from my downloads that I might actually be able to use. Let me choose this. All right, let me choose that, and let me add this to my timeline. Okay, this should load in a second. So as you see, nothing really interesting there. So let me come to animation. Let me look for some pro features here. Let me see. As you see, for all pro features, we have this little, I don't know, is it purple? Is it blue? I don't know. Little diamond. So for whichever feature you see a diamond, that's a pro feature. So we can't really use that without paying. And let me show you an example of that. So let me download this, for example. Let me select this in the meantime. It's right there. And perhaps this as well. I'm just really playing around. Nothing so serious. So as you see, I've added 2 pro features here. So let me try to export this. So you see, as I try to export, I'll say CapCut will tell me you're using the following pro features and it will list them down below. So in my case, I've only used 1 and that shouldn't be a problem. Let me head back. So what we want to do is we want to come and compile. Right click, hover to your, if you have a couple files, make sure you select them. If you have other edits in other timelines within this edit, you want to select all of them, or you just have to click one, then press Ctrl A to make sure you select all of them. Once that's done, you right click and create a compound clip. So once a compound clip is created, next thing you want to do is right click again to your compound clip, because what a compound clip does, it suppresses everything you've done into one clip, like one compound clip. So that's what happens here. So once you're done creating a compound clip, you want to pre-process compound clip. That's what we're selecting here. So what this does, renders your video to make it playable very smoothly. So when this is done, so what you want to do is you want to check your project number. So my project number is 0626. All right. So what I'm going to do is head over to my directorate and go to my CapCut drafts. Once I go to my CapCut drafts, I'll see CapCut drafts, see my project number 0626, select it, then head over to resources, then combinations, and there I should have my my video preloaded. So what you want to do is play this just to make sure. So as you see, it's right there. Okay, my video is right there. So from here you can already copy this, paste it somewhere else, use it, rename it, whatever you want. But at this point, you've really achieved what you wanted. So yeah, that's it. That's how you get free pro features from CapCut without actually paying. All right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.